See, we have taken two strings. One is S1 and the other one is S2. Will be displayed that S1 and S2 strings. And in the previous session, we have discussed the methods related to the index. So here we have discussed caret function or caret method. The purpose of using the caret method is in the given index, what is the character we have that is going to be displayed for us. The given position, what is the character we have that is going to be displayed for us. Caret of 9. In that particular position, whatever it may be the character we have, it is going to be displayed. If in the given position, the length is not available, like let me say, as per this particular example, the length of the string is 10, will be having the index from 0 to 9. Will be having the index from 0 to 9. If we are taking the index more than that, 0 to 9, it is going to be raise the exception called as string index out of bounds exception. And we have discussed substring as well. Substring, by using the substring, we are going to be extract some part of the string or substring from the given string. See here in this particular example, substring 0, 4 in a sense, it will start from the 0 position till 4 minus 1, 3 position, it is going to be get it. 0 to 3 position, whatever it may be the characters we have, it is going to be get for us. System next here, substring of 4, if I'm giving only one argument we have passed here. Only one argument we have passed here. In that particular case, it is going to be start from the position 4 and it is going to be take till the end of the string. It is going to be start from the position 4 and it will take till the end of the string. And if you come here, substring 4, 15, we don't have that much of characters in the string. It will start from the position 4. It cannot able to take till 4 because length we have only 10 characters. Because of that, again here it is going to be raise the exception called as string index out of bounds exception. String index out of bounds exception it is going to rise here. Right? We'll see the next concepts, next methods what we have. S1 dot t. Automatically it is going to be provide all the suggestions for us. All the suggestions for us. See, ends with, if I'm using this ends with, whether the string what we have given is ending with this particular string or not, it is going to be thick. If it is ending, it is going to be used as true, or otherwise it is going to give as false. See, as part of this Java is a string which is available for us at the end. Because of that, it is going to be written true. That it will return true. See, let's suppose ends with A or A, any part. If it is ending with that, it is going to be written true, or otherwise it is going to return false. If I am giving ends with hello, it is starting with hello or he. See, now here it is going to be give as false. It is not ending with he. It is not ending with he because of that it is giving false out here. In the same way, we have here S1 with starts with we have when we are having this starts with, if I'm giving key, it is going to be written to here. Hence, here I'm taking here it is going to be written false. It is going to be starts with a he here. It is going to be starts with he here. So because of that, it is going to return. It is going to be written starts with. Starts with true. So now if you see here, start with Java, let me check. It is going to give false. It is going to give false. See, we'll check it. Yeah. So as per our expectation, we got true over here. Here also true we have, and the next here we got false. Here also false. Next here it is getting true. Here also true. We have expected here false, and it has given false at last. Starts with Java as well. Okay. So that is the purpose of using starts with and as well as ends with. That is the purpose of using starts with and as well as ends with. This one dot. Now I'll check index of one particular character. Index of one particular character. See, or else index of from the specific index. Now I'll check this is empty or not. The string is empty or not. This one is empty or not. This one is empty or not. I'll create one empty string here. Yes, is empty. Both we are getting false. Both we are getting false. Now see, here we have space. Here we have space. Space also will be considered as string. So now what will happen will be, we have given it as null. See, here it is giving true. False we are getting here. Here also false we are getting, and here true. Here is empty method returns true. The string is empty, otherwise false. String contains space will not be. String contains only space will not be considered as empty string. It is not considered as empty string. Okay. So as per this, we are getting the output. Next we have C, concatenate, which is used for combining two strings. Which is used for concatenating two strings. Which is used for combining two strings. Even I would like to show you the string is immutable. In Java, the string is immutable. I'll show you that example. Java string is immutable. Hello Java, the string I have taken, and a string s2 I have taken as welcome. Okay. Now string s3 I have declared here. S1 dot concatenate of s2, s1 dot concatenate of s2, and we are printing this string s1. We are printing the string s1. Before performing this, what is the string 1? What is string 2 will display. String s1 string s2 concat method used to concatenate two strings. That is at the end of first string, the second string attached. The second string will be attached. Now after this, what will be the string will check? So we are sorry. Here we are getting hello Java. We are saying that concat function which is or concat method which is used to combine two strings. At the end of the first string, the second string is combined. At the end of the first string, second string is going to be combined. But still, if you observe here, we are getting only the first string. Why we are getting this only first string is immutable. see, it cannot able to combine to the S1. The S2 is not going to be combined with S1. Of course, see here, concatenate makes the second string is going to be combined with the first string. But here, as per this situation, S1 has to be modified. That will not be happen. So if I'm giving this to some other variable S3, because of that only I have declared this S3 variable and I didn't initialize any value over there. So now it is going to be give hello Java, and when we are getting this string S3, what we are going to be get, we'll see. String S3, what it is going to be give, we'll see. Hello Java, welcome. Got it? See, after concatenating S2 with S1, after concatenating S2 with S1, it is going to be assign that result to S3. It will assign that result to the S3. That will happen, but S1 is not modifying. So here, S1 string you cannot modify because after concatenating the first and concatenating second string will be getting first one only, first string as output. Now, when we are assigning that result to this S3, if we are checking that at the end of the first string, the second string has been concatenated. Even it is not going to give the space. If you would like to give the space, it is going to be give with a space. Otherwise, by default, it is not going to be give even with space. Okay. Now we will see it's immutable. String is immutable. Once we assign value, we cannot modify it. We cannot modify it. Once we assign the value, we cannot modify it. Okay, I think it is clear about string is immutable. Now we'll continue with this. Next method we will see. S1 dot contains some part of this is available or not, either in the middle or somewhere. So I am checking this EL. So that EL is there in the string S1. EL is there in the string S1. So where that EL is available, it should be in the sequence. It should be in the sequence. Then only it is going to be written true. Otherwise, it is going to return false. So I'll check. Here we are having EL. Because of that, it is going to return no. EL contains in string S1 will return hi contains in string S1. It is not available in any sequence. If you observe here, in any sequence, HI is not there. It should be in sequence. It should be in sequence. See, it is going to return false. S1 contains I. It is going to be written false. Now, I would like to check evo contains in string S1 or string S1 contains evo or not. See, if I am taking that string S1 dot contains evo, so here I'll be giving as false. And now, if you check here, E is there in this S1 and O is also there in S1. E is there and O is also there. But those two are not in sequence. Those two are not in sequence. Because of that only, we are getting false over there. We will get false there. E is at one place, O is at one place. Because of that, it is going to be false. As per our expectation, we are getting. So true, false, false. Next method we will see. S1 dot index of one particular character. Let me take O. Contains method use returns if the subpart or substring is available in the string. Otherwise, false. False. Index of O. Index of O. Index of returns the index of specified character. Index of character O. Index of character O. It is going to be written true here. It is going to written, sorry, not true. So what is this? 0, A is in 0, E is in 1, 2, 3, 4. It is going to give as 4. Index of O is 4. See now, index of character small h. Capital H if I'm giving, capital H if I'm giving here, it is going to be get as 0. Because at the index position of 0 we have here. See, capital H is a will be having zero position itself. That will be having this in the zero position itself. We are having that in the zero position. So now, if I'm taking index of small h, which is not there in the string s1. Small h, which is not there in string s1. So what output we can expect here? -1. -1. Giving us -1. Because the character is not available in the string s1. Otherwise, returns -1. Then sequence we can able to take here. See, let me take index of string Java. Index of string Java. S1 dot index of substring we are going to be take Java. So beginning index it is going to be written. Beginning index it is going to be written. See here 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Starting it is going to be give as 6. Six. We are getting 6. If the string is not matching, what we'll get? We'll see. Index of string high. Index of string high. Because this string is not available in the S1. This string S H capital I, sorry, capital H and I is not there in the given string. Because of that, what it is going to be written, we will see. If the substring is not found in the string, it is going to be give -1. Substring or the specified string not exist in the string S1. Index of string object, if I'm taking here, returns the beginning position or the beginning index of the string specified if it exists in the string. If it exists in the string. Otherwise, returns -1. Otherwise, it is going to be written -1. Okay. to lowercase to uppercase. To lowercase, everything it is going to become converted into lowercase. Everything it is going to be converted into lowercase. See, string ss1 I'll be taking here as string ss1 I'll be taking as Java in uppercase. String ss2 I'll take in lowercase completely in lowercase. String ss3 hello I'll take in uppercase, and Java I have taken in lowercase. So now string s1 into lowercase. String s1 into lowercase. To lower. To lower is a method we have which is used to convert into lowercase. Whether the string is having to the lowercase or the given string is in uppercase or lowercase, that is going to be converted to lowercase. The given string is converted into lowercase. The given string is converted into lowercase. To uppercase is a method which is used to convert the given string into uppercase. The string is converted into uppercase. Okay. So now the same way I would like to convert that to the SS2. Sorry, it's not S1. Let's take SS1. SS2 into lowercase. SS2 dot lowercase. Thing SS3 into lowercase. Everything it is going to be converted into lowercase now. Everything it is going to be converted into lowercase now. So now SS1 into uppercase. See why I have taken three things example here. So SS1 is completely uppercase, SS2 is completely lowercase, SS3 is having lowercase and as well as uppercase. SS1 to uppercase SS2 into uppercase to uppercase. SS3 into uppercase. Okay, we'll see what is the output of this. See here first, Java will be getting in lowercase, welcome will be in lowercase, hello Java in lowercase. So then later Java will be uppercase, welcome is in uppercase, so hello Java in uppercase. As per our expectation, see first Java in lowercase here and welcome in lowercase, hello Java in lowercase. So then after Java in uppercase, welcome in uppercase, hello Java in uppercase. So as per our expectation, we got the result. As per our expectation, we got the result. That is to lower to upper. See, and now we have the string replacement. We'll see other method. See here, value of methods we have. See, this value of method, value of where argument is they are having boolean b. The string is going to be converted into see the value of the string will be converted into boolean. Sorry, whatever it may be, the boolean argument we have given, that is going to be converted into string. Value of char c is the next one. If I am giving this value of char, the character will be taking as an argument that is going to be converted into string. Value of is used to convert one data type to other data type. One data type to other data type. See how we are using next int, next float for reading the string, and that is going to be converted into that particular data type. Here also value of, which is used for converting the different type of data into the string. So first one, here, if I am taking the boolean argument, that boolean argument is going to be converted into string here. This character is going to be converted into string here. So array of characters that will be considered as string. That string is going to be converted into string. Double value is going to convert into string here. Float value will be converted into string. Int value will be converted into string. Long value will be converted into string. And here the string itself is going to be converted into the object argument. Object argument. Okay, so those are a few more methods we have. So in the next session, we will discuss few more string methods. Most probably by the next session, we'll complete the built-in methods of string.